GPU got game, got gang. GPU got game, got gang. Come on, pick him up. Move on,
Get prepped up before you step up. Never know, you may be the next up. You can't step into the ring with the king without prepping up first. He'll put you straight into the dirt. Now go to work, 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 go to work. Let's go.
It's 5 a.m. I hit the gym. Get my weight up, I'ma lift the gym. I set the bar high, then I jump for that. And I'm getting so close, better lift the rim. They only see what I do when the lights on, but I do the most work when it's dim. I'm dedicated to elevating above expectation, erasing haters for good. I'm better on paper, the playmaker, the savior. Call my number in the clutch, I'ma make it. It's my time, I've been patiently waiting, and ain't nobody doing me no favor. So wake up every day like I got to prove. Ask myself what I got to lose. If I wanna be on top, gotta stay locked, can't cruise, gotta keep pushing through. So I'm on it like
get prepped up before you step up. Never know, you may be the next up. You can't step into the ring with the king without prepping up first. He'll put you straight into the dirt. Now go to work, 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 go to work. Let's go.
My heart is so much stronger than they are. I'd bet on my hand if we play cards, cause we probably lose if we play yards. Front page news every time cause we play hard. 1 in a million, those are great odds. If you're gonna lose, make it a great loss. Gotta dominate, make it like you play frauds. When they leave, I want them thinking that they play God. Whoa, now you see what I'm getting at. Got a bed in the gym where I'm living at. All these dudes wanna fly like MJ, and I just wanna be flyer like I printed that. No subliminal, you know what I'm hitting at. Giving everything, I won't get a minute back. So why stop, why not lay myself flat? Put my time in, watch the crowd react. But first,
get prepped up before you step up. Never know, you may be the next up. You can't step into the ring with the king without prepping up first. He'll put you straight into the dirt. Now go to work, 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 go to work. Let's go.
Yeah, trying to get ready. Yeah, he's coming. All right, Evan, what did you think about the Vertimax?
I thought it was a very good workout, and it challenges you and pushes you to your athletic potential, and hopefully by the time I'm in middle school I can dunk.
TV. They said it wasn't possible, I said yeah right. If you can dream it, you can be it, get your head right. Well, I've been dreaming, I've been seeing it like every night. To be the best, you gotta sacrifice, so be it. Ain't nothing like winning, 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 ain't nothing like.
GPU got game, got gang. GPU got game, got gang. GPU got game.